What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So, first of all, let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and right here I've told you that you shouldn't enter your swing trade position with this company at this very point, because most likely we should go lower. And as you can see, the price acts exactly as I predicted. We went lower from this point, and this movement to the downside was for about 7.5%, roughly this range. And how I defined this movement to the downside. Let me show you right here that we have this price action that has the shape of some kind of curvature. And this curvature might show us that we losing the momentum, and this means we might see lower price targets. On top of that, let me show you indicators. Right here on RSI, on the 4 hours time frame, we have this formation, and let me show you that this formation is pretty much a rising bearish wedge, and this formation usually breaks to the downside. And when we can see this breakout, it is definitely lead to lower prices, and it happens. On top of that, if we switch to 2 hours time frame, with the RSI, we also had some kind of curvature, and it is the same pattern we had on the price itself. And this also leads us to the lower prices. So it is what it is. We went lower and had a very good opportunity to enter the position. And let me show you that we hit exactly, if I measure the movement from the lowest point to its highest point. As you can see, we had very good reaction from the golden pocket. Statistically, the most probable range of trend reversal. It is a Fibonacci levels in between 0.65 and 0.618 levels. And as you can see, from this range, we went higher with a huge increase in volume. And this is extremely bullish sign. So, what should we expect from the price action? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamentals. What was the reason of this movement to the upside? So, let's continue right here. On Seeking Alpha, we don't have any news that was directly related to the SOFI company. And on top of that, if you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, you won't find any recent news as well. The most recent one was published several days ago, and the most recent one was right here. It was published on Monthly Fool, and it's titled "Why Shares of Upstart, SOFI and Moneyline All Rose Today." And the key points of this article are following. The Labor Department reported fewer jobless claims than what experts had been projecting. Fintech stocks have sold off broadly over the past few months. Valuations are better, although not necessarily cheap. And let me quote you this. Weekly jobless claims for the week ending December 25th totaled 198,000, beating the 205,000 forecast, which is near the lowest level in 50 years. Gus Forcher, chief economist at PNC, wrote in a research note. Initial climbs are extremely low, and continued climbs are low and steadily declining. Demand for labor is very strong, and workers are in short supply, so businesses are not laying off employees. Those workers who do find themselves unemployed can quickly find new jobs. And this is a really good sign. On top of that, let me show you this. On the one hand, the news is somewhat positive because it shows that businesses still seem to be operating like normal and not laying off workers or shutting down after the discovery of the extremely contagious Omicron COVID-19 variant. Still, that doesn't mean there won't be any impact from Omicron in the near term. Rising coronavirus cases due to the Omicron could put the labor force recovery on hold, at least over the next couple months, Forcher added. The jobless claims report seemed to provide a good excuse for investors to buy back into popular fintech stocks that have really been hammered over the past few months. So, as you can see, this movement to the upside was the result of the Labor Department report. And this means this spike in price and in volume might lead to new potential uptrend, at least medium term, because we have upcoming major news related to this company. So let me show you more information. We don't have any new forecasts from TPRanks, so we still have 8 ratings. 6 of them suggest to buy, 2 to hold and 0 to sell. And the price targets are the same, $19 as the lowest price target, and the highest price target is $30. So on the list of their institutional investors, we still have more green rows than red ones. This means more and more institutional investors are interested in this company to invest in SOFI. And this is a really good sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, this movement was 100% predictable and it was very technical because we had a bounce from the golden pocket, and from this range where you could accumulate your position, you might be up to our current level of about 10%, and to the highest point we had about 14% of potential profits. So quite good movement just in a matter of 2 sessions. But what should we expect next? In my opinion, we should see some kind of retracement, and it might be also a sign where you can add your position for the long term, where you can invest in this company, because fundamentally we are awaiting 2 major catalysts. Basically, for now, I think we might consider even 3 major catalysts that might take place in near future. First of all, it is an approval of a bank charter. And this is the main news that might drive the price of this company higher. Second one, it is a Super Bowl that will take place in February, and it will take place on SoFi's stadium. And next one, in a matter of a couple of weeks, we should see their earnings report and their numbers. And these numbers on Q4 and full year 2021 should be impressive. And this might also be a catalyst for this company, and this might lead to much higher prices. So let me show you one interesting detail. I don't need this tool for now. Let me show you that if I connect these 2 bottoms and make it like this, as you can see, we clearly have this type of channel. And these channels are extremely important for the price because usually the price respects these channels pretty well. And this means we might see lower prices, and we might even hit this range of support. And when we will hit it, and it will be another amazing opportunity to enter your long position. And let me show you, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, what do we have here? We have the ranges of about $15.61, $15.34 and about $15 range as our levels of accumulation. If you want to enter your position, you should accumulate your position along these levels, and this will give you much attractive average price in order to have a maximum profit in the future. So I think for now we have to have some kind of consolidation phase right after this massive surge in price, and this will give us a little bit more time to re-enter our position. I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!